How to set all posts to only me on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can set all of your posts to only me on Facebook. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to do is open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, what you'll need to do is open up your profile. So to do that, tap on the menu option on the bottom right. And after you're there, you'll need to go to your activity log. So simply scroll down, go to settings and privacy, expand on that. And from there, you can go to your settings. On your settings, now you'll need to search for activity log. So scroll down and under your activity, you'll find activity log. Tap on that. And after you're on your activity log, what you'll need to do is choose your Facebook activity, expand on that. And from here, select post. So under post, you'll find manage post button. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, there you should find your posts and everything that is your, activity related to it. Now from here, what you can do is you can select all the posts. So here you can, I'll just filter this or not, you can select every post from here and then set it to only me. So that's one way of doing it, but if you don't know what to do, again, if it's not working for you, what you can do is you can basically go to your profile. On your profile, you can simply check out the posts that you have and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the posts, then edit their privacy and select only me, then tap on save. So we can do that to all the posts that you have. And previously when we went to the activity log, you should have just what you need to do is just select the post that you have and then set it to only me. And that's basically how you do it, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.